How to fix cellular data issues on iPhone iOS 18.1. So if you want to fix cellular data issues on your iPhone iOS 18, then here's the video. First, you need to restart your iPhone. It's a quick and easy step that can clear up minor glitches. Just press and hold the power button and the volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide it to turn off your device, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. The next toggle is airplane mode. This resets your network connections and can resolve minor issues. You need to swipe down to open the control center, tap the airplane icon to turn it on and wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. If that don't work, then you can check your mobile data settings. To do that, you need to open up your settings and then tap on the mobile data or mobile option and ensure that it's turned on. Also verify your carrier settings. You may need to reselect your carrier or check that roaming is enabled if you are traveling. You need to update your carrier settings. And the other step is you need to just scroll down and then go with general. Then under general, you need to tap on about. And if a carrier update is available, you'll see a prompt. You need to follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Finally, if the problem persists, you need to reset your network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and custom cellular settings. To do this, you need to go with the settings and then tap on General. And under General, you need to scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap Reset, which will be on the bottom, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm your iPhone will restart with default network settings. And these 5 tips should help you resolve your cellular data issues on your iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.